Biotechnology is a field that uses living organisms, like bacteria and plants, to develop products and technologies that improve our lives. Recent innovations in this area are transforming healthcare, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. Let's explore some of these advancements and what they mean for the future. 1. Gene editing with CRISPR. CRISPR is a powerful tool that allows scientists to precisely change the DNA of organisms. This technology holds promise for treating genetic disorders, improving crop resilience, and advancing research in various fields. 2. Artificial intelligence (AI). In drug development, AI is being used to analyze large amounts of data quickly, helping researchers discover new drugs and personalized treatments. For example, companies like CSL are integrating AI into their research to develop more effective therapies for serious diseases. 3. Synthetic biology and sustainable manufacturing. Scientists are engineering microorganisms to produce useful materials, such as biodegradable plastics and biofuels. This approach aims to replace traditional industrial processes with more eco-friendly methods. Companies like Constructive Bio are leading efforts to create sustainable microbial factories for manufacturing materials like pesticides and biodegradable plastics. 4. Personalized medicine. Advances in genomics are enabling treatments tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. This means therapies can be more effective with fewer side effects, especially in areas like cancer treatment. 5. Regenerative medicine. Researchers are developing ways to repair or replace damaged tissues and organs using stem cells and tissue engineering. This could offer new hope for patients with conditions that currently have limited treatment options. 6. Biotechnology in agriculture. Biotech is being used to create genetically modified crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases, leading to higher yields and reduced reliance on chemical pesticides. This contributes to food security and sustainable farming practices. 7. Environmental biotechnology. Biotechnology is being used to develop biodegradable plastics and other environmentally friendly materials, helping to reduce waste and pollution. These innovations are shaping a future where biotechnology plays a central role in improving health, sustainability, and quality of life.